off now. Gradually, it comes round straight now. Touch up a millimetre. No, straighten out now. Keep it coming back. Keep it coming back.
I'm using it on top of me.
It's alright, use whatever. Not do. Brakes. And whenever you're ready, drive on. Let's have a good look round. Blind spots this side. In case any neighbours come out of any drives or anything. Somebody in that blue car as well. Watches that, don't reverse off. See?
Yeah.
The clues are there. Stop and let her out. The clues are there. When you get more used to it, you'll spot these things. Let's go for it. How about that?
Alright.
See what I mean about spotting things? The more you get used to it,